Looking for a reliable way to replace your old fifth bumper? The Reese 58089 fifth bumper installation kit promises a perfect fit and straightforward installation that gets the job done without extra hassle. If you want a solution that works smoothly and saves you time, this might be exactly what you need. One user shared how the kit fit perfectly, matching the old bumper without any issues. While the instructions mention removing the top plate, they found that wasn't necessary. You can simply use a shorter screwdriver to get the job done. That little tip alone can save you time and frustration during installation. Another reviewer appreciated the quick service and noted the kits come in pairs, which is handy if you're working on both sides or want a spare. Although they initially missed that detail and ended up with an extra kit, it's reassuring to know you have backup parts when needed. The kit's components are smaller than expected, but that's actually a benefit. A larger size wouldn't work properly, so the compact design ensures everything fits just right. One user even drilled the hole slightly to 1/4 inch for a precise fit, showing the kit's flexibility for minor adjustments without compromising performance. If you're weighing your options for a fifth bumper replacement, the Reese 58089 kit offers a balance of quality, ease, and thoughtful design. It's worth a look if you want a hassle-free upgrade that fits right out of the box. Try it when you're ready and experience a smoother installation with parts made to last.